Hello everyone, and welcome back to Improve Your Lifestyle. Today, we're diving into 3 incredible products that not only make your life easier, but add a touch of innovation to your daily routine. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, these gadgets are sure to impress and enhance your lifestyle. Let's get started. First up, we have the Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug. This isn't just any mug. It's a smart mug designed to keep your drink at the perfect temperature from the first sip to the last drop. With the ability to set your desired temperature through the Ember app, available on both iOS and Android, this mug maintains your coffee or tea at the perfect temperature, ranging from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 145 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 80 minutes on a single charge, or all day on its charging coaster. It's perfect for those long workdays when you need your coffee to stay warm, ensuring that your last sip is just as comforting as the first. Plus, its sleek design and intelligent features make it an excellent gift for anyone who loves their morning brew. Using it is a breeze. Just pour your drink, adjust the temperature with a touch, and enjoy your day without the hassle of reheating. Next, we have the Rocketbook Everlast Fusion Smart Notebook. This notebook is a game changer for anyone looking to minimize waste and streamline their workflow. It combines traditional pen and paper experience with cloud technology, allowing you to write your notes with the Pilot Frixion pen and then erase them with a damp cloth to reuse the pages. The Rocketbook app, available for free on iOS and Android, enables you to scan and save all your notes to cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneNote. Whether you're managing complex projects, keeping a daily journal, or tracking fitness plans, the Rocketbook makes organization easy and environmentally friendly. Its durable and portable design means you can take it anywhere, making it perfect for busy professionals, students, and anyone looking to keep their notes organized and accessible. Finally, let's talk about the levitating moon lamp. This stunning decorative piece uses magnetic levitation to float and spin in the air, creating a mesmerizing and soothing effect that adds a wow factor to any room. The lamp features 16 different RGB colors, adjustable via a remote control, making it perfect for setting the mood or using as a nightlight. The touch-sensitive switch on the base allows you to turn the moon lamp and the base lights on or off separately, providing a magical and interactive experience. This lamp is incredibly easy to use and makes for a fantastic conversation starter or a unique gift for anyone fascinated by space or innovative design. It's ideal for creating a tranquil atmosphere in your home or office, enhancing your decor with just the touch of a button. If you're interested in grabbing any of these amazing products, you'll find the links in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Improve Your Lifestyle and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Your support helps us bring more fantastic content and find more good products for you. See you tomorrow. Do not forget to improve your lifestyle.